Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor. This week I have a quick, cute, cheap spooky craft for you. The Dollar Tree is selling these really cool succulent planter magnets. They're $1 a piece. I got a couple of them, sanded them down super quick, went in with my orange paint. Now, they did take a couple coats of orange, and you do want to make sure that you're painting in vertical lines to kind of mimic the lines of a pumpkin. With the multiple coats as well, I kind of built up the paint to make it bumpy. And they turned out pretty good. And once they dry, I'm going to stick the planters and the magnets back in. And using a Sharpie, I'm going to draw on any pumpkin face that I want. I went with a simple classic pumpkin face. My drawing skills are not the best, but I am working on them. This project was super quick, super fun. These would make awesome gifts, party favors. And there they are, folks. Cute little summery pumpkin magnets for your fridge. If you're like me and you just do not have nearly enough pumpkins in your life this time of year, this is a cute, quick craft to get your pumpkin fix. Until next time, stay spooky.